Welcome to data cleaning session for machine learning. So here you can see path of CSV file is given, that is bank.csv, and you are going to read by using pd.read_csv. And here you can see first 5 rows by putting data frame.head. Now dot shape, then dot value underscore counts, then dot select underscore d types, np dot number, np dot object will give you numerical columns and categorical columns one by one. Here you are going to use value counts dot count for each value in the column. So this is the custom function up to return x, and that x you are going to utilize using lambda x function name. Okay, and you are converting into data frame. You will be getting like that. If you want to change the name of this 0, you can put variable.columns equal to feature value, so it will be changed like that. Okay, if you want to apply a scatter plot by using cborn sns.scatterplot x equal to column, y equal to column name deposit, and comma data equal to data. How to apply for loop you can see here. For column in calls, here you can see calls is the pd.data frame list numerical columns. List of all the numerical column is calls. This is a list. Each column you are getting by call, and you are plotting by using scatter plot. If you want to put all at a time, you can write sns.pairplot and pass the numerical column. Okay. If you want to put correlation matrix, numerical columns, and num.corr, it will give you entire details of the correlation matrix. If you are going to use describe and provide percentile, you will be getting all the details like mean, standard deviation, okay, count, minimum, and percentile. Flooring and capping, so each null dot sum on numerical column, you will be getting values like that. K-bins discretizers, you are going to import this K-bins discretizer from sklearn.preprocessing, and then K-bins discretizer, and pass number of bins and encoding type. Store it into variable, here it is discrete. Apply fit underscore transform on numerical columns, take it into a variable, and then apply data frame on that variable. So you will be getting num underscore bind, and you can see how it looks because suffix rank has been added. So you can age rank, balance rank, like that. Okay, so this is K-bins discretizer. Categorical columns you can see like that, shape you can see like that. Feature value counts we have already observed in numerical, similar is there in categorical as well. If you want to drop any column, you can use cat.drop deposit axis equal to 1. So this deposit will be gone. You cannot see deposit in the column. Shape is there, count values, value counts we have already seen. Now here np.where, categorical column is there, wherever lone column is there, and data is s, you can put 1, otherwise 0. Like that you can replace. So if you want to observe all the object columns, so cat dot select d types np dot object dot columns, you will be able to see all the columns of categorical type. Cat dot d types, so it will give you like job column is there, type is object, material type is object, education type is object, like that. And in all categorical, suppose job is there, value counts in job what is mentioned, so you can see technicians are there, admin services, and you can see the number. Similarly you can check for each column. Now categorical object, similarly you can see np dot object, cat dot select d types np dot object, and then select d types np dot number. So this is categorical float. Okay, you can observe. Now it's time to get acquainted to one hot encoding, right? So what to do? On PD pandas object pd dot get dummies and pass categorical object and drop first equal to true, and then try to observe this categorical object. You will be finding it is encoded like one hot encoder. Now pd.concat, we are going to concatenate float type of categorical and cat object. You can observe like that. If you want to see, so here 1 will come after encoding. Here also, if you observe, you have done one hot encoding by using get dummies, and go scroll right, 1 will come. Okay, in certain one. Now x pd.concat numerical and categorical, you will concatenate, you will get like that. Okay, x.d types will provide you each column and type. So each column and type is int and unit 8, that is fine. There should be no any object type of column while applying machine learning algorithm. So our entire intention of data cleaning is to remove object type and to remove the outliers. Now y.d types object, so y, and this is column name deposit. You are going to use lambda function x. If x equal to x, then 1, I mean message 1 if x equal to s, else 0. So it will give you 0 1 in case of yes or no, because result is y is nothing but result is given in supervised learning, and in that result it is given yes and no. But while applying machine learning algorithm, you don't require yes and no, so you have to convert all those yes and no in 1 and 0. So index 90, you can see 90, y, and deposit is the column name. So that column name dot apply lambda x, and expression is there 1 if x equal to s. If yes is there, then it will convert 1, otherwise it will convert to 0, else 0. And if you are going to observe value underscore counts, it is giving 0 is coming 5 at 7 3 times, and 1 is coming 5 2 at 9 times. Finally, if you are going to observe, it will say into 0 and 1. Okay. Now processed data ML algorithm. Now it's time to apply machine learning algorithm on processed data. So x and y, you can see row and column. So for y, column is 1 because this is the result, and x, all these are the data. Okay, number of column 29. So to apply machine learning algorithm, import pre-processing from sklearn, sklearn.model selection, import train test split, and sklearn.tree, import decision tree, and sklearn.matrix, import accuracy score, confusion matrix, and ROC underscore curve and AUC. Fine. Now split by train test split, xtrain xtest, ytrain ytest, pass x y test size, and random state. Decision tree classifier, and pass max depth criteria and random state, and this is the creation of model. Once model is created, fit xtrain and ytrain. Okay, and if fitting is training, so training is done. Now do the prediction. Model.predict, pass x test, you will get y prediction. Confusion matrix you will get by passing y test and y prediction. Okay. Now if you want to calculate precision, so you can use this formula, precision, recall. Okay. So in next session, once again I will discuss how to apply machine learning algorithm on cleaned data, and here we will see decision tree algorithm for machine learning. Thank you for watching.